Hello, I hope you're having a lovely day today. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to upload fonts into Canva. So what you have to do is I think you do have to have a pro account to do this because you need to have access to the brand section. So what you do is you go up to brand, click on brand, and then what you need to do is go down to fonts, click see all, and then go up to the top right of this column and click edit. And then you want to scroll all the way down until you see this purple text that says manage uploaded fonts. Click on there. And then in the top right of this box, you'll see it says add new. And then you can upload your fonts up there. So that's how you do it. Okay, I hope that helps. Bye.